This 2018 Forest River Grey Wolf 23MK rear living, U-Dinette Slide is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, awning, oven, air conditioning, slide-out, refrigerator, skylight, microwave, external shower, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Grey Wolf 23MK rear living, U-Dinette Slide is 5,199 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.